The best thing about these sort of recipe videos is that I can shoot them late at night as long as I've got the softbox, which means that I get an extra couple of hours in bed. Hi guys, welcome to StudentChow, the show where we try and cook recipes on a budget and try not to think of something funny that will go here. Oh god, why have I just made that joke? I'm not nearly established enough yet for that. So it may not have come to your attention, but I used to be quite big. I was about 13 stone. I'm 12 now, but I shrunk down to about 11.3, and since then I've just been kind of getting the exercise in. And one of the in fact the very first recipe that I uploaded to my sorted food account was a skinny version of a carbonara, and today we're going to be trying to improve that. Okay, there's not really a lot to change for this recipe. We're going to be using yogurt instead of double cream. We're going to be using turkey bacon instead of normal bacon. We're going to be using wholemeal pasta, and we're also going to throw in some extra veg, and it's just going to be great. As it takes the longest, we're going to add our water to our pasta pan, and we're going to set that to boil, and we're going to also season it with a little bit of salt. That way it all comes out really delicious once we boil the pasta. Okay, next up we're going to prep our bacon and our veg to go into a pan together to fry off. For this we're going to be using garlic, red onion and chilli, just to give it that little bit of extra kick. Okay, now that all our veg is done, dice up your bacon. Secret tip, use scissors. You get uniform pieces and they just need cleaning out afterwards. Easy. Okay, everything's prepped. Get it into a pan, quick spray of oil, high heat, season with salt and pepper. Job done. Okay, so now that the bacon has cooked, we're going to turn it down just so that it stays warm, but it doesn't like burn. Pasta water is now at a rolling boil, so what we're going to do is going to add in our wholemeal spaghetti. Okay, we're just going to let that simmer away until it's about al dente. Al dente is all about the tooth, and it's just so that you can get a little bit of bite out of that pasta. It's going to be great. While that's happening, we can work on our sauce. Mix together 3 eggs with 500 grams of yogurt, and then we're going to throw in some cream cheese rather than some parmesan. That way it's a little bit healthier. And any chef worth their salt knows that carbonara needs black pepper. So I just got the black pepper cream cheese kind. Little tip there for you. everything's ready to come together. Drain off your pasta water, leave a little bit in the bottom to help cook off the rawness from the egg and the sauce, and then bring everything together with some tins of sweet corn and some parsley for garnish. Look mate, I know you're sad and you want to be part of the video, but scratching the door isn't going to help, okay? Got some work to do, isn't it? Social interaction! Oh, social engagement! And there we go guys, so it's a lot more colourful than when I first did it, and it just, it's just like how I used to make it, sans the parsley, and but of course, the only way to see how good it is to taste it. Hey guys, who'd win in a fight? One guy trying to record his videos, or one thirsty boy? It's just how I remember it. One of the things that I enjoy about using yogurt rather than cream is that it adds another level of tanginess to the recipe, just takes it up a notch. Well guys, that's all we've got time for today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, follow us on all the social media, and if you fancy supporting StudentChow, maybe give us a couple of quid on Patreon as well. Until next time, see ya. That's so dumb. I feel that sugar burning deep inside my lungs, and all we need is just one night to fall in love. No, I can feel that fire burning over us. I feel that sugar burning deep inside my lungs, inside my lungs. Oh, sorry, I completely forgot that I added this part to the script. Like this video if you too are a fan of Mallory Knox.